Back in 2014, after questions over the department's use of force, the DOJ reached a settlement agreement with the city and APD to reform the department by putting in place hundreds of policy changes. But now, someone involved in setting up that agreement says this could be a setback.
Damon Martinez is the former U.S. Attorney for the District of New Mexico, and after he left office, he went to work for APD as a policy advisor.
And when it comes to the current federal investigation that we know is going on, could that potentially affect the DOJ consent decree that's in place right now?
Very possibly. Based upon the facts that are known publicly right now, I believe that the court will want to go back and look at these certain areas, two areas specifically.
Martinez says the first area the courts will analyze is the specialized unit section, which would involve the DWI unit.
Does APD have information that their officers aren't showing up to court? Is that information showing that there's violations by certain officers of that standard operating procedure? And then what is APD doing about it?
The second section Martinez believes the courts will review is misconduct, specifically how internal affairs operated when they got news of possible wrongdoing by officers.
I believe the court's going to want to look at what did APD do with that information? Specifically, was internal affairs advised, and how did they conduct themselves?
If APD is found to have violated any standard operating procedure.
But this would be a setback.
Yes, it could be a setback if the court says, let's examine it, and there's an issue, and we need to fix it.
And we reached out to APD and asked for an interview to get their perspective on how the current federal investigation may affect their agreement. We've yet to hear back. For Target 7, I'm John Cardinelli.
Damon Martinez is currently running for Bernalillo County District Attorney against Sam Bregman.